Hi everyone, welcome back to Messy and Beautiful. I'm Sarah Jane. Thanks for joining me for another video. I'm unboxing my advent calendars. If you didn't see my first unboxing, I'm doing it day by day. I bought my advent calendars to be advent calendars, not just to unbox them on YouTube. No criticism of anybody that does it that way. That's entirely your decision. This is how I like to do it. Spoiler alert, I suppose, just in case you haven't seen any of the advent unboxings, I've got advent calendars from Plan, Inspire, Create, the Grumpy Tortoise, Rebel Co and TheCoffeeMonsterzCo. I haven't watched any of the unboxings of other people. I don't know what's in these. I'm not going to say this every time I do a few days. I just thought that I would do the first couple so that in case people only catch me sort of halfway through. By that point, I'm sure a lot of people will be aware that advent unboxings have spoilers in them. So let's get stuck in, enough rambling on. I'm going to start with the Coffee Monsters Co because I'm only up to day 2. I didn't realise that it actually has dates on the front of each of the stickers, but I'm doing mine slightly differently to how she's intended, and I want to open something every day in the last week before Christmas. So I'm stretching mine out a little bit further than she has planned for us. Look at this envelope. How cute is this? And it's like a little cardboard sleeve type thing. I'm careful not to try and crease it too much. So cute. I've no idea what this could be. It doesn't feel like a pin or anything, so I don't know. No idea. Let's see. Oh, it's like a magnetic bookmark. Very cute. Sunny day. Oh, that's really happy, isn't it? It's really positive. I really like that. That's so cute. It goes perfect in my planner for next year because that's going to be all cute and lovely. This is Plan, Inspire, Create. Got an envelope today. So her calendar's based around self-care, and you get a self-care prompt every day as well, which I have been trying my best to follow. And I am actually already feeling a little bit more energetic, so I'm hoping it is actually working. Little journal card, postcard. Find a pocket of joy in every day. I'm probably a bit close there. Maybe about there. Very cute. I love her colours as well. And it's actually a postcard rather than a journal card, but I can always put some stickers on that side if I wanted to use it as a journal card. Very cute. And there is a daily self-care prompt usually, yep. Right, 5 things you like about yourself. So what I've been doing with these as well is I have like an A6 that I use for like memory keeping and junk journaling and stuff. I haven't used it as much as I would hope. But what I've been doing with these is just taking them and then sticking them down the bottom. So then if I've done like the list that she said to do, then I've got where it came from. Just, again, memory keeping reasons really. But yeah, 5 things I like about myself. So I'll be doing that once I've finished this video. I'm not going to share what I actually write because, of course, that's personal stuff, isn't it? But there we go. Right, so the Grumpy Tortoise. Oh, cute. Blues and purples. And they're floral. They're very pretty. So it's like deco sheet. I don't know if there's just one in here. Linda's very generous. Yep. So 2. Oh, different colours too. Look at those. That's very spring to me. Very autumnal. Love them. Wintry, I guess. So start in winter and then use them in spring. Oh, thank you. They're really, really nice. I like those. And then Rebel Co. And Rebel Co's theme has kind of been pastel rainbow, which goes with my planning style very, very, very well. Speaking of pastel rainbow, there we go. Just check there's nothing else in there. Chuck the rubbish on the floor. So they're like the watercolour strips and dots and things. I love the pattern on it. It's so nice. So watercolour mixed boxes, and it just says it's for the advent. So there we go. That's December the 5th, all done and dusted. My goodness me, where is this month going? I will be back tomorrow with some more unboxings on the same video. Hi guys, 6th of December already. I hope you're having a good December. I took my girls to see Matilda at the cinema today. They do like a baby club where I can take my youngest with us as well. It's amazing if you haven't seen it. I went to see it on Broadway on my honeymoon, and when I saw it come up at the cinema, I was just like, do you know what, I'm going to go and see it because it looked incredible. And actually even my 4-year-old loved it. I think it's really, really good. But that's the kind of thing I've been doing in December, just trying to, you know, get a bit of family time in as and where I can. Right, I am opening day 6 of my Advents today. I just wanted to start off with the Grumpy Tortoise and say that I know that this is number 6 because I had a look at which way round the stickers went. I nearly picked number 9. And I'm assuming that Plan, Inspire, Create is also number 6 because of the way the packaging is. Rebel & Co have kindly helped me out. So I'm going to start with Plan, Inspire, Create today. I can't remember which order I normally do these in, so if I do them in the same order or different orders and you prefer one or the other, then I'm sorry. So, oh look how cute! Your Pawsome. That's adorable. Little key ring. I keep key rings strung up on my pegboard. It doesn't look like it's got a film on top, it's just printed on. Oh, that is so cute. I'm a cat lady, aren't I? So that works for me. Self-care prompt, do something that makes you laugh. I do that most days because my kid is mad. So is my husband. So am I. We're a bit of a bonkers family. Right, so Rebel & Co is next. Number 6. Oh, bullet points. Oh, 2 sheets. This looks like it completes the kit. I love these from Rebel & Co. These little dots I've got tons and tons of because I do actually use them as bullet points, but it's nice to have some different shapes as well. And then glitter headers. I'm not really a header person, so I don't know if I'll use those or not, but maybe this year, in my planner this year, it might be a slightly different setup, so I don't know, but let's see. And then this is the Grumpy Tortoise. Oh, look. Right, let's get in here. Just chucking rubbish on the floor, make it even more messy. This looks like it's vellum, which is great for me this year. Blue backing card. So this one is like a floral. I'll tell you what I'll do. I'm just going to take the box and I'm going to flip it over. It's white, and then you can see. Look at that! Isn't that pretty? Not my usual style at all. In fact, I'm going to keep it in my stash and we'll see. It's very pretty. Maybe I will use it, I don't know. This one's more my sort of thing. I know it's not cutesy or... Oh, there's a little... I think that might have come off my desk actually, rather than printing. There we go. And this is much more minimal. Definitely less my style, if you like, but... I do use stuff like this because I like the vellum sheets to be reasonably plain usually. I find it harder to use pattern ones, but we'll see how it goes. So there we go. That is day number 6 already. I feel like we're flying through the month, and the next thing you know, it'll be January and I won't be ready for January and all my goal setting and all of that stuff, but we'll just have to see. I'll see you tomorrow for day 7. Hi guys, so 7th of December already. I feel like this month is flying. I think I'm saying it every time I open these, but I just can't believe it. I'm just going to get stuck in because I am freezing and I am trying really hard not to shiver as I film, but my heater's too loud for me to have it on at the same time. So this is the Grumpy Tortoise for the 7th of December. Oh, cute. Look like motivational type stickers. So one says love yourself first. Oh, they both say love yourself first. Oh, how pretty is that one? It's got like a hollow overlay, all sparkly and shimmery, and they're the opposite like fonts as well, so that's really cool. And slightly different sizes too, so I really like those. And oh, get myself sorted. My hands are shaking, I'm so cold. Right, 7th of December for Plan, Inspire, Create. Get your daily self-care prompt, which is leave a positive note for someone to find. Oh, I did that for my husband the other day. He was having a really bad day and he went out. So me and my daughter went up to the shop. We bought him his favourite Chelsea buns. Came back and left a little note just to tell him that me and all his 2 daughters love him. So I've already sort of done that recently, but maybe I'll have to do another one. And then you get a little card that's a 30-day challenge. So that's cute. little bit different as well. Right, 7th of December for what they called Rebel Ink Co. My brain's going dead now because I'm so cold. Look, which is currently sheet. So there's to-dos, there's todays, useful, always useful. Currently reading, order takeout this week, unplug, lazy day, loads of different scripts, and then currently watching, currently reading, currently loving and listening, and then some work stickers as well. So a bit more of the like functional type ones. So that is day 7. I am going to leave it there so that I can go in my house and get warm. Right, thanks very much for joining me, and I'll see you tomorrow. Hey guys, so 8th of December already. I'm going to get stuck in a second. I just wanted to share with you what I've been doing today. So I've just been doing jobs around the house. I took my little girl for a haircut. And we've been to the dentist, so it's been a very exciting and not so festive December. I still don't have my decorations up, so my husband's put the tree up tonight, so we've just got to decorate it. I'm hoping in the next couple of days we can manage to get it all done. But we've got a birthday party coming up at the weekend, so I've got a lot of prep to do for that as well. So day 8 of my Advents. I don't know where to start. I'm going to start with Rebel Ink Co today because I keep leaving that one till last, I think, so I'm going to start with that one. Die cut stickers. They look holographic through the packet. This is exciting. This is the kind of stuff I've been buying a lot of recently because I quite like just having an individual sticker, and I'm also trying to get over the use it thing, so I'm using some of my older ones and buying some of the newer ones. I am just going to move these out of the way so you can have a good look. So they're all the rainbow style. Very pretty. This like oil slick holographic type foily stuff, I don't really know what it's called, donuts. The is really pretty. It really goes well with this. That's a shame, that one's all marked. That's a real shame. I think it's just where it's been loaded into the packet, and actually that one is too. Oh, I think it's just where they've got stuck together in the packet. I love that. Oh, ow, ow, ow. You can see how tired I am, look. But I love this one, look how pretty. I want a pen pot like that. If anyone sees one, let me know. Highlighters, planner trolley, if only mine were that organised. And then a little planner. It says, look on the bright side. It's ring bound, but you know, it doesn't really make a difference, does it? So that's day 8 for Rebel Ink Co. I am going to just pack them all up together and put them back in that little packet so I don't lose them. They're gorgeous. I really like those. I think that's probably my favourite thing so far, actually. I think because it's a little bit different, because up to now I'm a bit like, oh, it's just a kit, like, and it's just different parts of the kit, which I know how much effort goes into these, so I don't mean to be too critical, but this is ever so slightly more exciting. It is a sticker advent, so I'm not expecting anything other than stickers, though. I would like to clarify that. Right, so number 8 for the Grumpy Tortoise. Try and get in here. Oh, look how pretty. It's my kind of floral as well, more of a like basic looking floral, and it's an S for my planner. I love that. I love that colour. Right, that's going on my planner for next year. 100%. I'm definitely using that. Number 8 for Plan Inspire Create. Feels like a notebook or a notepad. Notepad is what I mean, isn't it? Yeah. Notepad. Keep this pad beside your bed to tame the worries in your head. Empty your mind and sleep tight. Oh, look. And it's got the little panda at the bottom. And there's loads here. Maybe 50 sheets, I'm guessing. Wow, I might actually keep that beside my bed as well, because that is the time where I get a lot of ideas and a lot of thoughts running through my head. So that's a really good idea. There is a self-care prompt as well, isn't there, that I've forgotten about. Which is here. Spend some time in nature. Not sure if we've got any of that coming up, actually. Right, that's a good reminder. There we go. So that's number 8, and I'm going to come back and do day 9, and then I might edit because I'm still behind and haven't edited the last one yet. So I'm going to do day 9. So I'll see you tomorrow. So 9th of December. Today I have done festive swimming with my daughter, which is always good fun. It's like the last lesson of term. And then I've just spent some time with my family, and I'm going out for dinner tonight. So I'm well excited. I'm going out for dinner with my friends. So that should be a good night. I'm not drinking though, because it's too cold for me to wait for a bus. Anyway, so I'm going to get stuck in because it is once again freezing cold. So 9th of December for the Grumpy Tortoise. Some more stickers. These are like circle things. Like deco type ones. I love the feel of this paper. I don't know what it is. It's like a matte paper, but it's super smooth. It's really nice. She used to make the best paper with like real thick paper as well, and I found some that's similar that I really like to like put my kits in and stuff. But now I'm going into the planner I'm going into, the thinner stickers are actually appealing to me, so this is really nice. I really like that. 9th of December for Plan, Inspire, Create. I can't wait to open the TheCoffeeMonsterzCo. I hate to poo-poo the other ones because they are amazing, but daily self-care prompt. Make yourself a calming self-care kit. Oh, that's a good idea. Hadn't thought of doing that. I might have to think about what's going to go into that one. Maybe I'll make some notes and have a think about it, but that's true. Sometimes the most productive thing you can do is rest. It's just like a little card, like a journal card type thing. Be kind, do good, show love. Whatever you decide to do, make sure it makes you happy, and you'll never find a rainbow if you're looking down. I think that first one, that really resonates with me. I'm very much a nap person. I survive on naps. And I struggle with I must be doing something. So actually, it's very true. Right, 9th of December for Rebel Ink Co. Oh my goodness. That is a lot of date dots. A lot of date dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. A whole year's worth. How generous is that? And they're really pretty colours too. Right, I'm definitely using those too. If I use them every month or not, I don't know. I probably will, because I need a lot of calendars. I've thought to myself I need a lot of calendars. And then the TheCoffeeMonsterzCo, look at the paper. I love the packaging. I just love it. Everything down to the packaging. I mean, she's got the money to invest in the business, let's be honest. It's very different to a small shop, because she's a massive shop now. And people are obsessed, including me. I'm trying to get it off without ripping it, but it's not going to happen. I might just have to cover it over with a sticker, because I'll show you what I do with all of this at some point. Right, so today... Oh, look! Oh, my goodness. Right, so skincare doodles. I'm not really into my skincare, as you can probably tell by the state of my hands at the moment. Look, I've got a great big cut, and my skin's so dry, it's just cracking. I think it's where I'm washing my hands all the time from all the nappy changes, and it's freezing outside. So I'm not the greatest at skincare, so maybe that's something I could put in my self-care kit. There we go. Right, that's what I'm going to do. That's one of the things that's going in my self-care kit. And then some rest day stickers. Yeah. Little flag that says no sticking out its back. Take it slow and breathe in, breathe out. Very cute. Like, I don't feel like there's a lot of stuff here for the amount of it costs when you compare it to some of the smaller shops, is the only thing. I know the washi tapes are like, yeah. I'm not disappointed. I'm not disappointed. I don't mean to sound disappointed. I just feel like some of the other shops are perhaps slightly more generous with their product. But maybe it costs her a lot more to make them, design them, because she draws them all herself, doesn't she? So anyway, thinking out loud as per usual. Right, so that is day 9 from the 4 shops that I've got calendars for, and I will leave it there, I think, and then I'm going to start a new video for day 10. Thank you very much for joining me. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, hit the subscribe button down below. I'd love to have you back, and take care, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.